Alright. Stop hugging the wall. Whoops. Let's go ahead and fight big ol' horse boy. Really? Oh, I can't believe that did so much damage. Whatever. Kinda want a Marlboro cigarette right now. You see the ass on that horse jiggle? Ah! Why did I get hit by that? Oh, this ain't Dark Souls. This ain't Dark Souls. What? Alright. Game gave me a second chance. I need to run. Oh, digging. Damn. Well, that fire actually hit me? Guess it did. Just because I'm right here. Woo! Yeah. Do I even bother healing this fight? Alright. No need to be so dramatic! Oh no! I didn't hear no bell, bitch! But I hit the button! Whatever. Man. Man, fuck you. Surely I'll do better on the second try. Yeah, you guys saw nothing. You're never gonna catch me! Alright, oh, I missed. Give me that ass. He called me a brat. See, a lot of that shit doesn't look blockable or parry or whatever. That I need to not touch. Alright. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Talk a lot of shit. Did I just get hit? I'm supposed to be a bitch. Did that hit me? Oh, how am I not? Get that ass over here, boy. And fuck your horse. The fucking flag banner right there, bro. This time around, I think I should warm up, you know, fight some, like, little baby enemies, I suppose. I think they'll help out a lot. Well, that's annoying. Man, you guys didn't see shit. I thought I saw something. And that big old boy comes down here. Okay, cool. AKO. Looks like a prolapse. Where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? Ah, well. Oh shit! Oh. Oh. I'm gonna just die. Yeah, I need a better warm up. Okay. This poor horse. Fucking tumbling. Where's he at? It's probably me, but like some of those drop down kills feel kind of jank. He don't see me though. God damn. It's very rashy. Ah, dang. Alright. Oh Jesus! Oh jeez! Man, it's always funny when you you play one Souls game and then you switch to another one, and like the minor button layout differences fucks with you, but it's whatever. I'm killing. You not log on. Why didn't I grab on? Whatever. Big suck! Let's rest up again. I mean, I still don't really know what to do in these menus. There's not a whole lot I could do. I need 4 anal beads. Take a little nap. Refill my little gourd of juice. Go up here. Go over there. Is there something beyond this wall, by the way? Curious. Alright, come on. Can you... Some of these ledges are kind of stupid. Like, come on. Oh, that should have not been that hard. Is this doable on this side? No, it is not. Did I even open this? Oh, yeah, of course. Alright, let's do this. Nice little kick. Come on, Gyalbo. No? Alright. Damn, I thought he was gonna start swinging that right in front of me. Is this a fight where you have to, like, not be fucking locked on? Might help. I have no idea what the fuck, bro? Do I have to hold? I'm gonna gourd right now. Alright. Was that the move? Yeah, I guess fucking jumping is the move. I don't want to do it all the time now. This might be the run. No! Alright. I still got 3 little pellets of health. Oh man, I fucked around too much. My posture. We're good. Let's see if I can pop another one. Oh, that would hurt. Oh, that would hurt a lot.